Hello students, good morning. It is your economics period, chapter 1, the story of village Palampur, topic farming or agricultural activities. Students, you have studied more about factors of production. Now we shall study about the farming activities of the people Palampur. Agriculture is the main production activity in the rural areas like Palampur of livelihood. Students in village areas, people work for their livelihood in agricultural field. Means the main occupation of the people of Palampur as well as other villages is agriculture, because they depend for their livelihood on agricultural activities. In this way, about 75% of working population of rural area, rural areas employed in the agriculture sector as farmers and laborers, means agricultural laborers. Students in the village of Palampur, about 75% of working population is involved in 75% of working population is involved in agriculture, means employed in agriculture sector as the farmers and farm or agricultural laborers. स्टूडेंट्स, पालमपुर के लोगों का मुख्य व्यवसाय कृषि है और यहाँ पर केवल यहीं पर नहीं, पालमपुर में नहीं, बल्कि टोटल इंडिया में जो है 75% पॉपुलेशन, वर्किंग पॉपुलेशन का 75% of population depend on agriculture and they employed in agriculture as farmers and agricultural laborers. Rapid increase in population and limited number of jobs available in the other sector of the economy are factors responsible for heavy dependence on agriculture. Thus there have been important changes taken place in the agricultural sector. Important changes taken place in the agricultural in the agricultural sector to increase agricultural output. Students, you know that not only the population of Palampur but our whole country rapid increase, but there is limited job facilities. जो जॉब्स अवेलेबल हैं उनकी फैसिलिटी कम है. अदर सेक्टर मीन्स टर्शियरी सेक्टर एंड सेकेंडरी सेक्टर. You know that agriculture belongs to primary sector. In this way, due to the rapid increase of population, there are limited job opportunity available in the other sector like secondary sector and tertiary sector of the economy. That is why these factors responsible for heavy dependence on agriculture. Thus, there have been important changes taken place in the agricultural sector to increase agricultural output. Due to the more dependency on agriculture, due to the more dependency of agriculture, there have been important changes taken place in agriculture sector to increase the agricultural output या और प्रोडक्शन भी. क्योंकि अदर सेक्टर्स यानी प्राइमरी सेक्टर के अलावा जो आपका सेकेंडरी सेक्टर टर्शियरी सेक्टर है, ड्यू टू रैपिड इंक्रीज ऑफ पॉपुलेशन, जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ वहाँ पर पर्याप्त नहीं हैं. बेरोज़गारी इसलिए बढ़ जा रही है. बेरोज़गारी बढ़ने के कारण एग्रीकल्चर पर लोगों का ज़्यादातर निर्भरता हो गई है. तो इस तरह से क्या हुआ कि महत्वपूर्ण चेंज हुए एग्रीकल्चर में, जिससे एग्रीकल्चर आउटपुट इंक्रीज हुआ. Contribution of factors to increase in agricultural production. In this we shall study about what are the factors those are contributed to increase in agricultural production. First है increase in the area under cultivation. Increase in the area under cultivation. जोत बढ़ाना, यानी एग्रीकल्चर जितने क्षेत्रों पर होता था उससे अधिक क्षेत्रों पर एग्रीकल्चर का काम होना, यानी जो कृषि योग्य भूमि है उसका बढ़ना. स्टूडेंट्स, increase in area under cultivation is the result of increase in area under cultivation. The area under cultivation has increased by converting wasteland in the village to cultivable land. The net area under cultivation means नेट सोन एरिया जहाँ पर बुआई जुताई होती है, increase gradually from about 119 million hectares in 1950 to 51 to about 141 million hectares in 2008-9. Likewise, in Palampur also the wasteland converted into cultivated land. Due to the increase of area under cultivation, the production of agricultural products increased. Students, जो कल्टिवेटेड एरिया पहले था, यानी हमारे इंडिया कंट्री में क्या था, 119 मिलियन हेक्टेयर 1951 में था, लेकिन यह 141 मिलियन हेक्टेयर इन 2008-9 में हो गया। 2008-9 में यह बढ़कर 141 मिलियन हेक्टेयर हो गया। इससे हमारा जो है क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन बढ़ा, एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोडक्शन। हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, सेकंड है मिक्स्ड क्रॉपिंग। मिक्स्ड क्रॉपिंग, द एग्रीकल्चरल फील्ड means the agricultural field where cropping and animal husbandry both done by the farmer. It means not only grow crops in that field, but their farmer tamed domestic animals like cow, buffalo, goat, sheep, and also poultry farm and many others. In this way, farmer earn more money and also increase the fertility of the farm. Due to this reason, farm production increase. Number third, multiple cropping. Students, it mostly depend on well-mannered irrigation system, because it needs more water for irrigation. It needs more water for irrigation. Due to multiple cropping has been possible in the irrigated area only. Students, it is matter of concern that a large portion of the net cultivated area is still dependent on rainfall. That is why Indian agriculture is called gamble in the monsoon. Students, before the expansion of irrigation facility, large portion of the net cultivated land of Palampur as well as whole country, not only village of Palampur but whole country is still depend on rainfall. केवल पालमपुर के किसानों की ज़मीन ही नहीं बल्कि पूरे देश में जो एग्रीकल्चर लैंड है, कल्टीवेटेड लैंड है, उसका एक लार्ज पार्ट बारिश पर डिपेंड होता था। किस पर डिपेंड होता था? बारिश पर। इसलिए कहा जाता था गैम्बल ऑफ मानसून एग्रीकल्चर वेयर देयर डिपेंडेंसी ऑन रेनफॉल इन दैट एरिया इट इज सेड दैट एग्रीकल्चर इज ए गैम्बल इन मानसून्स। एग्रीकल्चर क्या है? एक जुआ है। मानसून अगर अच्छा रहा तो अच्छी खेती हो गई, अगर मानसून अच्छा नहीं रहा तो खेती बर्बाद हो जाती थी। इसीलिए इसको मानसूनी जुआ भी कहा जाता है, क्योंकि पूरी तरह से रेन मीन्स मानसून पर डिपेंड होता है ऐसे एरिया में जहाँ पर इरिगेशन फैसिलिटी का अच्छी तरह से व्यवस्था नहीं है। मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग student, due to lack of irrigation facility, most of the area, cultivated area, only grow one crop or two crops in a year, but due to expansion of agriculture, due to well mannered irrigation system, farmers grow 2 or 3 crops in a year, one by one. When the crop rotation one by one means there is no follow line, that is known as multiple cropping. That is known as multiple cropping. Growing more than one crop on a piece of land during the year. Growing more than one crop on the piece of land during the year is called multiple cropping. नेक्स्ट फैक्टर आपका है एक्सपेंशन ऑफ इरिगेशन फैसिलिटीज़। एक्सपेंशन ऑफ इरिगेशन फैसिलिटीज़, इट इज़ द मेन फैक्टर, इट इज़ द मेन फैक्टर ऑफ इंक्रीज ऑफ एग्रीकल्चरल आउटपुट, एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोडक्शन। एक्सपेंशन मीन्स टू एक्सपैंड, विस्तार करना, सिंचाई की सुविधाओं का विस्तार, यह एक मुख्य फैक्टर है एग्रीकल्चर का। स्टूडेंट्स, मैसिव इन्वेस्टमेंट, मैसिव मीन्स अधिक मात्रा में, मैसिव इन्वेस्टमेंट has been made on irrigation during the planning period. Farmers have also installed electric run tubewells which can irrigate large area of land effectively. Expansion of irrigation facilities has made it possible to grow 2 or 3 crops in a year. The expansion of irrigation facilities has made it possible to grow 2 or 3 crops in a year. The area under multiple cropping has increased from 13 million hectares in 1950-51 to 53 million hectares in 2006-7. Students, you can see the effect of expansion of irrigation facility. Where is the total area of multiple cropping in 1950-51 was only 13 million hectares, but due to the expansion of irrigation facility, the cultivated land of multiple cropping increased to 53 million hectares in 2006-7. स्टूडेंट्स, इरिगेशन फैसिलिटी की सुविधाओं को बढ़ाने से जहां पर 1950-51 में 13 मिलियन हेक्टेयर खेती होती थी मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग में, वहां पर 2006-7 में बढ़ करके 53 मिलियन हेक्टेयर हो गई. In this way, you can see the area under irrigation means net irrigated area. The area under irrigation in the country has increased by 22.6 million hectare in 1950-51 to 88 million hectares in 2008-9. That is an increase of a little less than 4 times as result of increase in irrigation facilities. 1950-51 में जहाँ पर केवल 22.6 मिलियन हेक्टेयर लैंड इरिगेटेड एरिया में थी, वहीं 2008-9 में बढ़ कर के 88 मिलियन हेक्टेयर्स हो गई. In this way, the irrigation area increase little less than 4 times as the result of increase in irrigation facility. इरिगेशन फैसिलिटी बढ़ने से लगभग 4 गुना हमारा नेट इरिगेटेड एरिया इंक्रीज किया. It contributed to increase the crop production.